everyone are fine, doing well, practicing well, playing regularly. I'm sorry that I had promised hockey sticks when we all met last time. So unfortunately, after that, even my mother passed away. So due to that, I couldn't do much. Now this month 16th was our anniversary. So I thought after anniversary, I'll start, keeping up the promise which I have made. So I got all hockey sticks. Hope the quality meets your, level of playing. If not, surely we will upgrade it according to seniors or what I all like. Keep playing well. Whatever little contribution I have done, keep using it. Play well. Bring laurels to KGF. Best of luck for all your future tournaments.
Thank you, sir.
Everyone. So sir has been supported us from day one when we started this academy, and sir had been backbone support for us, and sir is distributing sticks for us and for participating in nationals. So still, even from our side, we will put more efforts, more hard work, and we need the support continuously. Sir, thank you.
அஞ்சாறு ஜல்லட கண்ணு ஆடு மாடு தள்ளி நின்னு கோலக்காட்டு பொம்மை எல்லாம் தோக்கா திரியுது தொக்கா போட்ட அக்கா பார்த்து காக்கா மிரளுது கும்பல் கூடு மேகம் மழைய பெய்யாதோ கட்டி வச்ச சோகம் கரைஞ்சு போவாதோ ஒட்டு பறையா வந்து கொண்டாடு கொண்டாடு அண்ணா நடா மின்னாலிடா முன்ன வந்தாளே புதுவக்க